What does the exclamation mark do before a function? Exclamation mark, function. JavaScript Syntax 101. Here is a function declaration. Function foo. Note that there's no semicolon. This is just a function declaration. You would need an invocation, foo, to actually run the function. Now, when we add the seemingly innocuous exclamation mark, it turns it into an expression. It is now a function expression. The exclamation mark alone doesn't invoke the function, of course, but we can now put brackets at the end, which has higher precedence than exclamation mark and instantly calls the function. So what the author is doing is saving a byte per function expression. A more readable way of writing it would be this. Lastly, the exclamation mark makes the expression return true. This is because by default all immediately invoked function expressions return undefined, which leaves us with not undefined, which is true. Not particularly useful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.